With your competitors only one click away, customer satisfaction is crucial to securing sales and reducing basket abandonment. You want to create an impression that lasts, so the key to this is improving customer experience. So here are 3 ways you can use data and trends to create a relevant, personalised experience that will increase loyalty, build strong customer relationships and drive revenue. Number 1. Optimise your site using data-driven insights. Data shows that customers who are satisfied with their experience spend 140% more on average and stay with the company 5 years longer. Figures like these are impressive and are the result of strategic use of data and analytics. Analysing customer data and tracking how the user interacts with your brand will show you the areas you are doing well in and help you identify opportunities for improvement and optimisation. By collecting data from individual interactions or feedback, you can shed light on issues such as user engagement, drop-off points, and customer satisfaction. By reflecting on this analysis, you can identify key areas to focus your efforts on in the future. Number 2. Use analytics to personalise the customer journey. Personalisation is at the heart of a great customer experience, with research finding that 80% of customers were more likely to make a purchase when offered a personalised experience. Personalisation creates a smooth customer journey, strengthens the relationship between brand and customer, and replicates the experience of an in-store sales assistant. Personalisation tools like intelligently triggered overlays or recommendations can show the right products, messages, and incentives to your customers at the right time. You can segment your visitors based on their attributes or behaviour, such as their location or the product pages they have visited. Then, with analytics tracking, you can match up customer journeys with similar buying behaviours to create a truly personalised experience. Number 3. Enhance the customer experience with the latest trends. Customer wants, needs and expectations are constantly evolving, so you can use the latest trends as a vantage point to ensure you provide the best possible service. Keeping on top of trends enables you to be reactive with your content across all platforms to reach a new audience of potential customers. Being aware of the trends in your industry will allow you to capitalise on events and key dates across the year to assist you in providing an excellent customer service. E-commerce platforms like Trenddesk make it easier to identify trending dates across various industries, showing stats on page views, revenue and conversion rate. You can then compare data to create annual strategies based on the days and events that performed well in previous years and benchmark against competitors in your industry. To find out more ways you can improve your e-commerce site and convert more visitors, take a look at our other videos and blog posts.